HE keyboard. I have a budget. Hummingbird68.
Guys, come on now, that's some crazy song right there. I should just become a singer at this point. Yes, this is a hollow effect keyboard and it's only cost $85. Mic drop. But among all those pros, there are some hidden cons around here. So let's start off with a review. The Hummingbird68 is a group buy keyboard, but if you want more details, you can click the link in my description. Which means Click Clack did send me this keyboard. Okay, so this keyboard has 5 colorways and they all use the same switch. You guys have to see the keyboard, so unboxing. Inside we have the... Wait, why is it not coming out? Okay, now this is a bit hard to take out. But don't worry, with my infinite brain cells and my ginormous muscle, everything works out. Anyway, they sent me the verdant colorway. Oh wait, we also have a braided cable. That is probably 10 feet long. That's all. Okay, now you guys have to see the design of this keyboard. The edges are shaped like diamonds. Real pointy. On the top, we have Mr. Lonely Type-C port. Then at the back, whoa! We have some Saturaday rubber feet, which look cool. And the Hummingbird logo right there. Very demure, very mindful. So yeah, that's what the keyboard looked like. Oh dear, what in the heck is that stabilizers? Oh hell to the no. Now that's a JoJo Siwa song. That's okay, I'll fix you Hummingbird68. Now let's talk about the parts so we can fix whatever this is. Firstly, we have the keycap, which are cherry profile. But not once, not double, but triple shot PBT. Wow. Then the star of the show, the Alvin Blink, aka the switch. This is a pre-looped magnetic switch that help you gamer out there cheat. Not like that, but it help you trigger the PCB faster than your normal keyboard. Let me grab a glasses so that I can fit the smart vibe. Okay, now I can't see. Because the magnetic switch don't have a leaf which slow down your switch response, it result of a shorter response time. And you can adjust your actuation point from 0.5 millimeter all the way to 4 millimeters. All this talking probably doesn't even make sense to you or me, so let me just give you an example. On the right side, we have the normal switch, hashtag basic, hashtag not unique. And on the left side, we have the magnetic switch. As you can see, it took less time for the Hall effect switch to type compared to the normal switch. To summarize this whole thing, Hall effect switch typed faster. I should have just said that at the start. Let's talk about other things now. I'm over that Hall effect thing. To open this keyboard, you need to unscrew the screw on the plate. So yes, this keyboard is tray mounted, but we have an aluminum keyboard, very not flexible. Then the plate foam, RXPE foam, and the PCB, which of course gonna look different. South facing, support PCB stabilizers in RGB for y'all gamers out there. Foam case, and nothing else. Finally, the time has come. I need to mold this keyboard ASAP. First, I'm gonna have to loop them switches, and you can just loop it like any other switches. Then I'm gonna do tape mode. Psych, I'm not. I know, I've changed now. For the stabilizers, I'm gonna do my best routine to fix this. And that's it, but hopefully it will sound better, cause I cannot stand that. I'm not gonna lie, I still think it's kinda mid. And because of the tray mount, the keyboard doesn't sound evenly. But the stabilizers though, I feel like I just came back from a 10 years coma. So if you want to have a little more advantage on your next gaming section, click the link in my description. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye!